Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you my recipe for boiled meat that you can prepare very easily in the pressure cooker. It is a very delicious dish and one of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's get started. We take 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter in the pressure cooker. Let's melt them. Then add 1 chopped onion and 5-6 cloves of garlic as a whole and saute. We roast until they turn pinkish. Then we chop approximately 600 grams of beef into large pieces and add them. Let's mix it for 5 minutes over high heat. Look, it started to release its juice. Then add a bay leaf and 4 cups of hot water. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker. Let's set the cooker to the second setting and keep the pan on high heat until it boils. After the pressure cooker whistles, let's cook on low heat for 15 minutes. Then let the pot cool down and open the lid. We add 5-6 peeled baby carrots. Let's chop it down into big pieces as you can see in the video. Now let's chop 5 medium-sized potatoes into large pieces. Then we add the vegetables to the meat. We add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 dessertspoon of salt and mix them. Now we close the pressure cooker's lid again. After the cooker whistles, let's cook it on low heat for only 5 minutes and take it from the stove. Then open the lid of the pot and take the bay leaf out. Please make sure that you do not cook more than 5 minutes. You can serve it like this if you want, but I want to prepare a dressing. For the dressing, let's take an egg yolk into the bowl. We can add the juice of 1 small lemon or the juice of half a large lemon. Let's mix them. Now we add a dessertspoon of flour. Let's mix them. Add half a cup of water and mix well. Mix until it is soft. Now let's add a spoon of the juice of our meat and turn the stove back on. Let's pour the dressing slowly and mix. Let's boil it for 2-3 minutes this way and take it from the stove. As I said, you can do either way, with or without dressing. Our boiled meat with dressing is ready for service. It was cooked very well and it is very tasty. I hope you try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.